Welcome to our channel. Let's learn something today. Let's go. First one. The words Satyameva Jayate in the state emblem of India have been adapted from each one of the following. Option A. Mundaka Upanishad. Option B. Brahma Upanishad. Option C. Mudgala Upanishad. Option D. Maitreyi Upanishad. Your time starts now. Option A. Mundaka Upanishad is the correct answer. And Satyameva Jayate means truth alone victories. And Madan Mohan Malavya gave the slogan of Satyameva Jayate, and it is the national motto of India. Next question. How much time the Constitution Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? 2 years, 7 months, 23 days, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, 3 years, 4 months, 14 days, 3 years, 11 months, 5 days. Your time starts now. Option B, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days is the correct answer. Our Indian constitution is the largest written constitution in the world, and Indonesian constitution is the shortest constitution in the world with 1945 words. Next one. The main source of national income in India is option A, service sector, option B, agriculture sector, option C, industrial sector, option D, trade sector. Your time starts now. Option A, service sector is the correct answer with 53 percentage. And the second is the industrial sector, and the third one is the agriculture sector with 17% only. Next one. What is the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation on its imaginary axis? Option A, 24 hours 37 minutes 23 seconds. Option B, 24 hours. Option C, 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. Option D, 23 hours 52 minutes. Your time starts now. Option C, 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds is the correct answer, and it is also called as Federal Day. Next one. The Kibul Lamzo, the only floating national park in the world, is in dash. Option A, Assam. Option B, Meghalaya. Option C, Manipur. Option D, Mizoram. Your time starts now. Option C, Manipur is the correct answer. Next one. The shape of a raindrop is spherical due to option A, viscosity, option B, surface tension, option C, elasticity, option D, gravitation. Your time starts now. Option B, surface tension is the correct answer. Next one. In which type of coal percentage of carbon is the highest? A, peat, B, lignite, C, bituminous, D, anthracite. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Anthracite is the correct answer with 86 to 92 percentage of carbon in it. And peat is the least carbon coal with less than 60%. Next one. Oath taken by medical graduates is given by dash. Option A, Aristotle. Option B, Theophrastus. Option C, Hippocrates. Option D, Darwin. Your time starts now. Option C, Hippocrates is the correct answer, and he is also called father of Western medicine. Next one. Late Raja Ravivarma was an eminent figure in which of the following fields? Option A, dance. Option B, politics. Option C, history. Option D, painting. Your time starts now. Painting is the correct answer. Next one. CTBT stands for option A, continued test ban treaty. Option B, continued test based treatments. Option C, comprehensive test ban treaty. Option D, commercial test based tariff. Your time starts now. Option C, comprehensive test ban treaty is the correct answer. Next. Which of the following Asian languages are United Nations official language? Option A, Chinese and Japanese. Option B, Chinese and Hindi. Option C, Japanese and Arabic. Option D, Chinese and Arabic. Your time starts now. Your answer is Chinese Arabic is the correct answer. Total official languages of United Nations are 6. They are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. And there are 193 countries in the United Nations and its headquarters are located in New York City. Next one. The first lady of the Indian screen to have been nominated to the Rajya Sabha is option A, Nargis. Option B, Madhubala. Option C, Hema Malini. Option D, Shobana Bhartiya. Your time starts now. Option A, Nargis is the correct answer, and she is the mother of Sanjay Dutt, Bollywood actor. Next, 13th one. The first sports person to have honor of Bharat Ratna. Option A, Milkha Singh. Option B, Sunil Gavaskar. Option C, MS Dhoni. Option D, Sachin Tendulkar. Your time starts now. Option D, Sachin Tendulkar is the correct answer. The first recipients of the Bharatiya Ratna were C. Rajagopalachari, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and Sir C.V. Raman. All are from Tamil Nadu state, and Indira Gandhi is the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna award. Next, 14th one. Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? Option A, D. Uday Kumar. Option B, Manmohan Singh. Option C, Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Option D, Reserve Bank of India. Your time starts now. Option A, D. Uday Kumar is the correct answer from IIT Bombay. Next, 15th one. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Option A, Banu Ataya. Option B, Shabana Azmi. Option C, Satyajit Ray. Option D, Nazaruddin Shah. Your time starts now. Option A, Banu Ataya is the correct answer, and she is a costume designer. She won for costume design for the movie Gandhi movie in 1982, and Oscar award is also called as Academy Award. Please comment your score out of 15. If you are like our videos, please subscribe our channel and click on bell symbol and select all notifications. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.